Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Vagaro business account. I know that a lot of you are using Vagaro to manage your business, and I wanted to create a video that would help you get started with it. So, let's get started. How to log into your Vagaro business account. Go to the Vagaro website and click on the Login button. Enter your email address and password and click on the Login button again. You will be taken to your Vagaro dashboard. Once you are logged in, you can do the following. Manage your clients. You can add new clients, edit existing clients, and view your clients' information. Book appointments. You can book appointments for your clients, and you can also view your upcoming appointments. Manage your products and services. You can add new products and services, edit existing products and services, and view your product and service information. Manage your staff. You can add new staff members, edit existing staff members, and view your staff member information. Run reports. You can run reports on your business, such as your appointment reports, your sales reports, and your client reports. Tips for using Vagaro. Use the Vagaro mobile app. The Vagaro mobile app allows you to manage your business on the go. Use the Vagaro email integration. The Vagaro email integration allows you to send and receive emails from your Vagaro account. Use the Vagaro text messaging integration. The Vagaro text messaging integration allows you to send and receive text messages from your Vagaro account. Use the Vagaro social media integration. The Vagaro social media integration allows you to share your business on social media. I hope this video has helped you learn how to log into your Vagaro business account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I also encourage you to check out my other videos on Vagaro. I have videos on how to use Vagaro to book appointments, manage your clients, and run reports. Thanks for watching.